Hi, welcome to Deutsch Hub Learning. Today we would like to learn a few great points which help us to read and pronounce German words and sentences in the best way. Let's start. Point 1. If the letter D was at the end of the word, it pronounced like weak T. Okay? For example, here we have und. Okay, please pay attention. A weak T. Okay? Not a strong D or a very weak T. Okay? A weak T. Und das Land. Das Land. Okay. What's our second point? Go here. If the letter G was at the end of the word, it pronounced like weak K. For example, der Burg. Der Burg. That means a castle. Or Hamburg. Hamburg. And the third point here, if before ha we have these letters a, o, u, I, e, a umlaut, o umlaut, and u umlaut. Ha is not pronounced. Okay, here I brought you two examples. Okay, our first example that we learned before is das Jahr. Das Jahr. Repeat after me. Das Jahr. That means a year. Exactly. And the second one is wohnen. Wohnen. Ha is not pronounced. Okay? Because before ha we have o. Okay? Wohnen. That means to live somewhere in a city or in a country. Okay? And point number 4. If the letter er or er is at the end of the word, it should be pronounced like weak a. Okay? Here we have an old example. Das Jahr. Das Jahr. Do you know another example that we learned before? For example, we have der. Is an article for masculine. Der. Okay, and our next point is here. If the letters E and G were at the end of the word, it could be pronounced like h or ik. Okay, for example, we have der Honig. Der Honig. Okay, and it could be pronounced like der Honig. Der Honig. That means honey. Okay, and the next point is here. If before se and ha we have these alphabets, I mean a, o, u, and the combination au, okay, then se ha should be pronounced like che. For example, das Buch. Repeat after me. Das Buch. Look, before se ha, we have u. For this reason, we will say das Buch. Otherwise, it should be pronounced like weak she. A weak she. For example, here we have Das Licht. Pay attention. Das Licht. That means a light. Okay, here, look, if after S we have these alphabets, I mean A, O, U, I, E, A umlaut, O umlaut, U umlaut, and epsilon, then S should be pronounced like Z. Like Z. For example, here we have die Sonne. Repeat after me. Die Sonne. Die Sonne. That means the sun. Okay, and next point. If at the beginning of the word, after S, we have these two alphabets, I mean T or P, then S should be pronounced like sh. Okay? An example we have here, der Sport. Repeat after me. Der Sport. That means sport. Okay, and the last one. If letter B was at the end of the word, it should be pronounced like weak P. For example, let's see, der Club. Der Club. That means a club. Or gelb. Gelb. That means yellow. Now, I will promise that with these episodes of Deutsch Hub Learning, you will be able to read all texts at all levels without any single problem. We will be glad to introduce our videos and your channel to your friends. Please don't forget to follow and subscribe. And thank you.